Weeds do not take a day off. They grow in your borders, push through your pathways, and ruin the clean look you worked so hard to build. Chemical sprays are messy. Pulling weeds by hand every weekend is exhausting. But what if the ground itself just stopped weeds from growing in the first place? That is exactly what these 9 ground covers do. They spread low and dense across the soil, cutting off the sunlight that weed seeds need to sprout. No light, no weeds. It really is that simple. Welcome to Seniors Gardening Advice. Sam here, and today we are counting down from number 9 to number 1, 9 new 2026 ground covers that kill weeds fast, look beautiful doing it, and need almost no care once they get going. If you find this helpful, do Sam a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. This channel is built for gardeners who want beautiful results without breaking their backs, and there is a lot more coming your way. New 2026 ground cover number 9, Pacandra Terminalis Green Carpet. Starting the list at number 9 is Pacandra Terminalis Green Carpet, a powerhouse shade ground cover that does not get enough credit. This plant forms glossy, deep green colonies that stay attractive through all 4 seasons. It spreads through underground runners, quietly filling bare soil beneath trees and shrubs where grass simply refuses to grow. The coverage it creates is so dense that weeds cannot find space or light to establish. Small white flower spikes appear in spring, adding a delicate seasonal touch, but the real magic is the foliage itself, thick, lush, and weed-proof year-round. Pacandra performs best in shade or partial shade with consistent moisture. It is slow to start, but incredibly rewarding once established. Use it under large trees, in north-facing borders, or in any shaded spot that always looks patchy and bare. Once this plant takes hold, the weeding in that area is essentially finished. New 2026 ground cover number 8, Sweet Woodruff, Gallium odoratum. At number 8 is Sweet Woodruff, a cottage garden classic that is gaining serious attention again in 2026 for its remarkable weed-suppressing ability. The whorled green leaves create a beautiful soft texture at ground level, and in late spring, tiny white star-shaped flowers appear across the whole plant. It spreads steadily in shaded areas with consistent moisture, building dense mats that lock out weeds completely. One of the most unique qualities of Sweet Woodruff is its fragrance. When the foliage is touched or crushed, it releases a fresh, sweet scent that makes it a pleasure to garden around. It holds through mild winters and provides semi-evergreen coverage in most climates. Plant it in woodland areas, shaded borders, or beneath deciduous shrubs where seasonal ground cover is needed. Sweet Woodruff proves that weed control does not have to be boring. It can smell wonderful, too. If you're enjoying this list, share it with a fellow gardener who spends too much time pulling weeds.
New 2026 ground cover number 7, Veronica Georgia Blue. Number 7 is Veronica Georgia Blue, an evergreen ground cover that brings serious seasonal color along with year-round structure. In early spring, this plant erupts with masses of brilliant blue flowers that cover the entire surface like a painted carpet. The effect is genuinely stunning, especially when planted along the front of a border or beneath flowering shrubs. Once the blooms fade, the rich green foliage stays tidy and compact throughout the rest of the year. Georgia Blue spreads gradually without becoming invasive, which makes it a safe and reliable choice for gardeners who want coverage without chaos. It adapts well to both full sun and partial shade, giving it real versatility across different garden zones. It requires minimal maintenance once established and forms a neat, finished layer that keeps borders looking clean and structured. Use it in mixed plantings, along path edges, or anywhere a low-spreading plant is needed to tie different elements of the garden together. Georgia Blue does not just suppress weeds, it adds a burst of color that makes the whole garden feel alive. New 2026 ground cover number 6, Thymus Pink Chintz Creeping Thyme. Moving to number 6, Thymus Pink Chintz, a creeping thyme variety that combines beauty, practicality, and fragrance in one low-growing package.
The tiny aromatic leaves form a dense mat of greenery that spreads steadily across soil, and in early summer, soft pink flowers cover the plant in a delicate blanket of color. The overall look is light, natural, and incredibly charming. This cultivar thrives in full sun with well-drained soil and becomes extremely drought-tolerant once established. Unlike some ground covers that lose density in dry conditions, pink chintz holds its coverage even through summer heat, making it a dependable weed blocker all season long. One of the most loved qualities of this plant is what happens when it is stepped on. It releases a gentle, pleasant fragrance that transforms pathways into a sensory experience. Plant it between stepping stones, along sunny border edges, or as a lawn alternative in dry zones. It handles light foot traffic well, making it both beautiful and functional. Subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice so you never miss a plant tip like this one.
New 2026 ground cover number 5, Sedum spirium Dragon's Blood. At number 5 is Sedum Dragon's Blood, a tough and visually striking ground cover that belongs in every low-maintenance garden. This succulent forms a dense mat of fleshy leaves that actually changes color throughout the season, developing deep reddish tones in late summer and autumn that add real warmth and visual drama to the landscape. In summer, clusters of deep pink flowers emerge across the surface, creating a soft contrast against the darker foliage beneath. What makes Dragon's Blood particularly valuable in 2026 is its incredible resilience. It thrives in full sun, tolerates drought, and grows well in poor rocky soil where many other plants simply refuse to establish. Because it stores water in its leaves, it can survive extended dry periods with zero irrigation once it is settled in. The mat it forms is tight and continuous, leaving no room for weeds to push through. Plant it on dry slopes, in rock gardens, along border edges, or in any hot, sunny area that is difficult to water. This plant is as close to zero maintenance as a garden plant can get, and it looks outstanding doing it. New 2026 ground cover number 4, Ajuga Reptans Burgundy Glow. Number 4 is Ajuga Burgundy Glow, a ground cover that earns its place in the garden through color alone, even before it flowers. The foliage is variegated in a rich combination of green, cream, and deep burgundy, creating a lush textured carpet that provides visual interest throughout the entire growing season. In spring, upright spikes of blue-violet flowers rise above the leaves, attracting pollinators and adding an extra layer of seasonal beauty. Ajuga spreads by sending out surface runners that root into the soil, gradually building a dense weed-suppressing mat with very little effort from the gardener. It adapts well to both sun and partial shade, which makes it one of the most versatile entries on this list. Use it in dry slopes, in rock gardens, along border edges, or in any hot, sunny area that is difficult to water. This plant is as close to zero maintenance as a garden plant can get, and it looks outstanding doing it. Like this video if it is helping you build a better garden. It means the world to Sam and this channel. New 2026 ground cover number 3, Mazus Reptans Alba. At number 3 is Mazus Reptans Alba, a fast-spreading ground cover that produces delicate white flowers over a dense green mat. The small blooms appear in late spring and bring a soft, clean look to garden borders and pathways that is hard to replicate with any other plant. Its exceptionally low profile makes it ideal for filling tight spaces and gaps that other plants cannot reach. What puts Mazus in the top 3 is its ability to establish quickly and spread without much encouragement. It tolerates light foot traffic, which very few flowering ground covers can claim, and it adapts well to slightly moist soil, making it more versatile than many drought-focused alternatives. Once it settles in, it forms a thick, living carpet that physically blocks weed seeds from reaching the soil surface. Use it between stepping stones, along pathways, or in low border edges where a tight, continuous ground layer is needed.
It creates a smooth, seamless surface that makes the whole garden feel complete and professionally designed. Comment below and let Sam know, do you prefer white flowering ground covers or colorful ones? New 2026 ground cover number 2, Phlox Subulata Spring Bling Pink. Coming in at a well-deserved number 2 is Phlox Spring Bling Pink, the most visually dramatic ground cover on this list when it hits peak bloom. In early spring, the bright pink flowers completely cover the plant, creating a dense blanket of color that can transform slopes, borders, and garden edges almost overnight. The needle-like foliage stays low and compact throughout the year, forming a neat base even when the plant is not in bloom. Spring Bling Pink thrives in full sun with well-drained soil and spreads steadily once established without becoming aggressive or invasive. Its dense growth habit is one of the most effective weed suppressors on this list. The foliage is so tightly packed that weed seeds simply cannot find space to germinate beneath it. For best results, plant creeping phlox where it can cascade slightly, such as over retaining walls, in rock gardens, or along sloped borders. The flowers create a natural flowing effect that looks both intentional and effortless. This is the plant that makes neighbors stop and ask what it is. Share this video with someone who needs this in their garden this spring.
New 2026 ground cover number 1, Lithodora diffusa Grace Ward. And the number 1 spot goes to Lithodora Grace Ward, an absolutely stunning low-growing ground cover that deserves to be in every garden in 2026. The intense blue star-shaped flowers that appear in spring are unlike anything else in the ground cover world. The color is vivid, deep, and electric, the kind of blue that stops people in their tracks. Against the plant's dark, deep green evergreen foliage, the contrast is extraordinary. Lithodora spreads steadily to form a dense, colorful carpet that is both beautiful and highly effective at suppressing weeds. It performs best in well-drained soil in sunny conditions and, once established, requires very little maintenance at all. Its evergreen foliage is a major advantage. It holds structure and coverage even through winter, meaning the soil stays covered and protected from weed invasion all year long. For the best design impact, plant Lithodora along slopes, raised bed edges, or anywhere it can trail naturally downward. In these positions, the trailing growth creates a soft, flowing carpet effect that instantly elevates the quality of the whole garden. It is low maintenance, evergreen, weed-suppressing, and jaw-droppingly beautiful. That is why it takes the top spot. There you have it. 9 ground covers that are going to change the way your garden looks and how much time you spend maintaining it. From the fragrant pathways of pink chintz creeping thyme to the electric blue blooms of Lithodora Grace Ward at number 1, every plant on this list works hard to block weeds and build a fuller, more finished landscape. The key with all of these is soil preparation. Clear existing weeds before planting, loosen the top few inches of soil, and give each plant the right conditions: sun, shade, or moisture, depending on the variety. After that, these ground covers do the rest. They spread, they thicken, and they shut out weeds naturally, without chemicals, without constant attention, and without wasting your weekends. If this video gave you even one new idea for your garden, please give it a like. It helps seniors' gardening advice reach more gardeners just like you. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new upload. Drop a comment below and tell Sam which of these 9 ground covers you are planning to try first. Every single comment gets read. The garden always has more to give, and so does this channel.